Hello?
Hello, am I talking to Zensom Dawini Chuma?
Yes, Dawini Chuma, yes.
Yes, this is Constable Sibomensa Ninyata. I'm calling from Central Police Station.
How can I help you, Constable?
Yes, I've been summoned here with the Uyapa station. Why are you not coming there?
Sorry, I was a bit tight up, but maybe we can talk over the phone.
You can't be tied up when you're called by the law. Oh, no, do you know Kumete?
Yeah, Kumete, I know Kumete, yes.
Yes. Kumete has been coming forward complaining to you are not $100 Yake. Do you owe him that money?
Yeah, ndakatora mari yacho iyoyo.
So why are you not paying him?
Yeah, akati aruda mari yake saka ndaikumbira 6 months kuti ndiite sei ndiende kumushando unotora mari yake because apparently mari 100 yacho ndakatenga mbudzi kuna Mr. Mtimkuru kumusha, so I've got kuti nditore iyi mari andinayo anditi ndonopa Mtimkuru ondidzorera mari yaGumete ndopa Gumete.
So watora mari yaGumete then watenga mbudzi.
Hey.
Ndinoda
kunopamba Mtimkuru because Mtimkuru ndo vane 100 user yaGumete. Gumete akati ari kuda mari yake, waona, saka
sorry, Gumete wants his money.
Yeah.
So if you have 100 users there, please settle this issue before the law, the arm of law reaches you.
Officer, I'm an intellectual. I know what I'm talking about. Are we talking a substitution here? Kumete says, give me my money. Says, and his money apparently, if at least he had said reimburse me, kumbe mtawini patala pen, kumbe mtawini nkala ima lunch. But now the city yamu, ufuna Yake, and Mtimkuru will go there and get his money. You get what I'm saying?
So you want to give him directly his money that he gave you, but you
yeah.
Have 100 users there, just go and give him.
No, it's not his, it's mine. His is with him, Mtimkuru. He said he wants his. You know the meaning of his money. Eh?
Say, sort your issue, give him his money, and please, when we call you for station, please do come and sort out this issue very fast. He can't be waiting for 6 months.
Officer, is this a criminal case or it's a civil case? Tell me. I told you I'm an intellectual. I know. You came to the wrong office. You should go to the small claims or what. There is. I can't respect your what that I come there. This case is not criminal. It's civil.
Dawini.
Hey.
Pay Gumete his money, and please tomorrow Makuseni mukira to Central Police Station.
I don't come there. I don't come there. You should go to what this civil court or what. But his money, I will go home, Lupane, and take his money and then come give him. That one I can guarantee. But coming there,
I want to deal with you personally. Who knows Vijay, please come to Kuku station and you pay Gumete his money.
Okay, I will come, but to tell you the truth, hey, this is not, now you are confusing me. He wants his money, you want me now to give him my money, what's that? Yeah, angu haisi yake iri kumusha, kwa uskundinzwa iri. Aizi yake, akati aruda yake, mari ndipo mari yangu. What's the meaning of yangu, officer? Come on. Gentlemen, hey. And I will come.